Hey, good evening, guys. Right now, I'm looking at NZDUSD. Even though it's Friday and the weekly candle, we still only have last 7 hours left for the weekly candle to close, and currently we're standing at around the 50 EMA in weekly time frame. So I don't think a new higher high is possible, but still there is a valid setup in 4 hour. So let's validate that using multi-time frame analysis. Overall, in monthly time frame, we are currently into a bearish in range. This is the last breakout structure. Price managed to create a breakout structure downside here, and then we corrected back higher, tried to create a new lower low, but failed. Again, tried to create a new lower low, but it looks like we are failing. This monthly candle managed to clear the low of the previous month, and right now we are thrusting towards upside. At the same time, I can see this area is really significant for NZD USD. Like we have rejected multiple times from this level in the past. So it's possible that we're gonna see some continuation or bullish price action in recent days. Uh, exactly that is what we are actually noticing this week. I can also spot a good trend line at around this level, even though this is actually cutting the body here. This is actually the valid one. uh, Overall, it looks like a overall giving me it's a bullish vibe. But if I just notice what's going on in breakout structure perspective, this is the last breakout structure towards downside. So what we can expect from this kind of markets? We can expect the if the weekly candle managed to close like this, in that case we can expect a little correction back lower on the next weekly candle, and then a new higher high. But it's also possible that we're gonna the weekly candle gonna keep moving towards upside to clear this high in this next 7 hours. In daily perspective, the daily bias was not that strongly bullish, but it was bullish. We're currently rejecting 50 EMA from the upside, and it's possible that we're gonna see some continuation towards upside. And this is actually one of my favorite setups. If we drop off Fibonacci on this move, I can see that price paid to reject the 78.6 and closed above, and right now we are like flipping from 78.6 and trying to reject this level. It's possible that we're going to see some good continuation towards upside to clear this high from this level, because we're currently into an extreme price of extremely premium price of this move downside. Actually extremely discounted price of this move downside. So yeah, it's possible. In 4 hour, what's going on? This is the last breakout structure towards upside. I can see. Yeah, this was the last one. This was the last breakout structure towards upside. And if we just try, we can see this is the last candle, bearish candle. And just try to, uh, if we just try to like refine this, we can get a setup from this. We are getting this downside move last before we started to move upside. So this is more likely looking like a valid setup to me. Let's see how it unfolds. I'm going long over here with a stop below this low. I'm gonna rate this setup as a grade, not a B grade, because things are pretty much lining up. And not a plus grade, because the timing is not that good. We are currently uh, almost near the end of the week. So let's see how it unfolds. See you soon on the next session.